Hello, I'm Deepthi, general dentist working in KIMS Icon Hospitals, Sheelanagar, Vishakhapatnam. I would like to share a few words regarding bad breath. Bad breath, also called as halitosis or oral malodor. Bad breath is an unpleasant odor exhaled while breathing, emitted from one's mouth, and this is most common thing that is noticed by most of us at some day or the other. This is the only disease that a person cannot feel and enables others to identify, usually by family members, friends and relatives, who can help us know that we do have bad breath. And the causes of bad breath are mostly orally, and few are systemic, that is general health conditions. Orally, the things comes like your gum diseases, cavities, dry mouth, tongue coat, dry sockets, poor oral hygiene, your oral ulcerations, smoking, alcohol, tobacco. And the systemic or the general health conditions can be like tonsillar infections, respiratory infections, like your chronic liver infections, kidney diseases, diabetes and cancers. You can check if you have bad breath by doing a few tests like cupped breath. You have to smell the odor by emanating the entire mouth by cupping your hands over the mouth and smelling the odor through your nose. And the second is wrist lick test. In this, you have to lick the wrist, wait for a certain time for roughly about 3 to 5 seconds, and you have to smell this from a distance of about 3 centimeters. The next is floss test. In this, you have to pass the unwaxed floss in between the interdental areas of the teeth and take it out, wait for a while and check for the odor. If you do suspect bad breath and not able to confirm, get yourself checked from your dentist or specialized doctors, so who do certain tests chair side, so that they can help you have from where the bad odor, what are the causes and how you can get it treated from chair side in the hospital, in the dental hospitals or in the clinics. So in order to avoid this bad breath, there are few preventive measures that you have to follow, like regular dental checkups, like periodical cleaning of the teeth by your dentist or by your dental hygienist, brushing your teeth regularly twice in a day, by using appropriate brushing techniques for a minimum duration of 2 minutes. Next, flossing, by passing floss interdentally in order to remove the stuck food particles in between the tooth surfaces. Tongue cleaners can also be used, which is really important and should be done on regularly in order to remove the coat on the tongue. At the same time, while doing this, you have to make sure that you have to use your tongue cleaners by placing posteriorly as much as possible to get rid of the tongue coat. And the other things are in general like your regular mouthwashes, using of sugar-free chewing gums, like mouth sprays, and at the same time do take plenty of water, eat healthy eat good food like fresh fruits and vegetables. And even after following the above measures, if you do suffer with a bad breath, do follow your dentist so that they can identify what the cause, the underlying cause can be, and they can treat the necessary problems, the general conditions in which can be like your gastric reflux, respiratory infections as such. And please do maintain healthy diet and healthy lifestyle by maintaining social distancing, wearing masks, and proper hand hygiene during these pandemic days. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.